Before buying FastWill, there are a few things you need to know, especially if you're considering it as an alternative to other popular will-making platforms. In this video, we're going to cover the 7 most important aspects of FastWill that will help you decide if it's right for you. First off, let's talk about the ease of use. One of the biggest advantages of FastWill compared to its competitors is the user-friendly design. Creating a will might sound like a daunting task, but with FastWill, you're guided step by step through a very simple and intuitive process. You don't need to be a legal expert to draft a will with this tool. Many other platforms can feel overwhelming with complex jargon or long forms, but FastWill streamlines the entire process and gets you to the final document faster. Next thing, FastWill offers more flexibility than most competitors in terms of document customization. Unlike many will-making platforms that offer rigid templates, FastWill allows you to personalize your will with various options tailored to your specific needs. Whether you have multiple beneficiaries, complex asset distribution, or special conditions, FastWill gives you the freedom to make these adjustments without the hassle. This can save you time and ensure your wishes are reflected clearly, something that other services may not do as well. The third thing to consider is the affordability of FastWill. While many competitors charge hefty fees for the service, FastWill provides excellent value for its price. They even offer a completely free trial for users to test out the platform before committing. This makes FastWill one of the most accessible options on the market for creating a legally binding will without the financial burden that other services might bring. The fourth thing is the legal security and validity FastWill offers. A common concern with online will services is whether the documents are legally recognized in all jurisdictions. With FastWill, you can rest assured that your will is legally binding, provided you follow the guidelines for witnesses and signatures. This is a big plus over some competitors who might not offer as much clarity on legal validity. Next thing, FastWill's customer support is a standout feature. Unlike other platforms where you might be left searching for answers in FAQs or struggling to contact support, FastWill provides responsive customer service. If you have any questions during the will-making process or need help understanding something, their support team is just a call or click away, which makes it easier to get the help you need. Now let's talk about speed. FastWill really lives up to its name when it comes to how quickly you can create a will. From start to finish, it typically takes less than 30 minutes to complete the entire process. This is significantly faster than many competitors, where the process can take hours or even days if you run into issues or need to consult with someone. FastWill gives you the ability to quickly get your will in place without any unnecessary delays. The last thing to note is the ongoing updates and new features that FastWill consistently rolls out. Unlike some competitors that may get stagnant or offer outdated tools, FastWill is always working to improve its service. Whether it's adding new document templates or introducing more advanced features for high net worth individuals, FastWill is committed to staying ahead of the curve. If you're still not sure whether FastWill is the right choice for you, just remember that you can try it out completely for free through the first link below. This gives you the chance to experience everything FastWill has to offer without any risk. With its easy-to-use interface, legal security, and affordability, it's definitely worth checking out. So if you're ready to take the next step in securing your future, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and access exclusive benefits. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity to get your will sorted quickly and easily.